Hello, 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 and good day to everyone. Welcome to V four three two. Sorry about that. Welcome to V four three two. Ano ba yan? Pag live, ganun talaga, no? Wellness, community sound healing and meditation. Every Monday of April and May, we're featuring a sound healer's journey, and we're featuring your local sound healer, getting to know their sound healing journey and what they're up to, where you can actually find them, and where you can experience their classes and their loving vibration. So tonight, yes, it's very special. As you can see, Tiny Blue Girl Yoga. If you haven't experienced her yoga class, you're missing a lot. She's one of my idols when it comes to yoga teaching. Siya po, being a yoga teacher, of course, your sets of, let's say, sequences. Si Teacher Joana, she reads the room. Meron siyang sequence in mind, pero pagkita niya there's this connection with the student, and ibang mga yoga teachers, I mean, it's really different, no, with Teacher Joanna, and you gotta experience it. If you haven't experienced it, I'm telling you, you're missing a lot. You got to book a class with Teacher Joanna, Tiny Blue Girl Yoga. And now, not only yoga classes, she also, all of her yoga classes, I feel, no, she also gives out sound healing. Saan ka pa, no, with your Shavasana. She's a sound healer as well. So, and she also, one of the parang memorable, no, na experience ko with Teacher Joanna was when I attended, alam mo naman, ambisyosa ang tita, mga inversion workshop, no, way back in White Space pre-pandemic. Grabe, sobrang takot na takot ako mag-inversion eh. So si Teacher Joanna para siyang inversion whisperer. May ganun siyang effect. So, when she was having her meditation, grabe, meditation pa lang, parang sobrang empowered ka na, kahit hindi ka na nga umattend ng workshop, na I was even crying during the meditation. And it was, I mean, ang sarap lang no experience, no, just to, ibang experience din kasi ang bawat, ang pagyo-yoga, ang dami kong siya na lang magkukwento, no, yung kwento na lang niya, but yeah, please, 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 if you haven't experienced yoga class with Teacher Joanna, sinabi ko na, no, with Tiny Blue Girl Yoga, please do book your class. Tiny Blue Girl Yoga, Instagram, nandun yung kanyang mga classes. Without further ado, let's get to know Teacher Joana Medina of Tiny Blue Girl Yoga. I love you, Teach.
Hello! Grabe yung introduction. Kinilig ako doon. Hindi tayo iyak today.
Yan, hindi mo alam yan, pero pagka Teacher Joanna class, talagang sa schedule ng White Space, kailan ang schedule ni Teacher J. Sobrang you get surprised, no? Kasi syempre, do you have your sequence, pero pag doon you read the room eh. Talagang tinitingnan ni Teacher J, ano pang kailangan ng students ko. What do they need right now, no? Bukod dun sa class niya na sequence, meron pa siyang tinitingnan. And that I feel is like a true sign of a true master or a true teacher talaga. So, nung nag-sound healing, teacher! Magdadagdag pa ng tools eh. Talagang superpowers na talaga. So, it's such an honor, such, with gratitude talaga, with grateful heart that you said yes. Grabe, no? Sharing your story, sharing your loving and healing vibes here. Teacher J, sound healing naman ngayon. So,
Yes.
Teacher J, madaming nanonood ngayon, no? Let me just say good evening to Miss Anna, Katrina, Miss Angelique Marie Adriano watching. Juliana Bettina, thank you so much for watching again. You're excited. Last, ito yung mga natin. Teacher Faye De Leon, woohoo, watching tonight. Jeremy Lumbao is also watching, and Mary Chris, of course, mga suki natin yan. And then more people would join in, of course, mamaya sa sound healing. Yan naman ang hinihintay nila every Monday. But before we get into the sound healing and your loving vibes, let's get to know paano ka napunta sa sound healing, teacher, aside from being a genius and a master in yoga teaching.
Yes. Thank you, Tonette. First off, introduction mo pa lang, naiiyak na ako. Paano tayo makakalayo sa interview portion na to? But thank you, thank you, thank you. Just a little bit of sharing also for everyone. Kung idol ako ni Teacher Tonette, idol ko din siya. As in, like, super idol. Tungkol sa'yo na lang. just a little bit of an overview with Teacher Tonette. When you enter a room and Tonette is there, you feel the love. Huwag ka umiyak kasi iyak din ako. Alright, so how did I get into sound healing? It's actually through Teacher Tonette. So she is the reason, the why of everything that I went through in terms of sound healing. So as she mentioned, we were co-teachers in White Space, and she would attend my classes, I would attend her classes, and we formed a beautiful friendship through that. And then when she did her teacher's training for sound healing, kami yung mga naging guinea pigs niya. Pinaglaruan niya kami. Willing victims naman kami noon. So when she said, as in like randomly, I was entering the studio, she was like, gusto mo mag-sound healing? I'm like, yeah. And higa naman ako, not knowing what sound healing is about. And then I remember back then, when she did it to me, I just knew there was something beautiful about it. But I wasn't really interested. Parang like I just knew it was good. It was something that you can offer to clients and it would be something that people would appreciate. Pero I put that at the back of my mind kasi as she mentioned, I was focused so much in terms of my teaching as a yoga teacher. And fast forward to when the pandemic struck, we were all through out there not knowing how to handle this situation, and I was directed to teaching all of my yoga classes, and I also teach bar, which is like a Pilates class through online. And then alam mo yung feeling na you just do your job but not really appreciate. Ayun, naiyak na tayo. Hindi tayo iyak today. But you just do your job, not really thinking na your job is of value. But when the pandemic struck, a lot of people kind of leaned into the classes that I offered. So every now and then, kung wari masama yung pakiramdam ko or hindi ko talaga kayang magturo, they would message me na, oh, sayang, we put time to attend your class. We really wanted to do yoga with you. So I started to realize, oh, maybe what I do is of value to other people, especially when the pandemic struck. Ano ba yun? And then I started leaning on to classes as well na utilize music. So I taught bar, I taught pop pilates, and I recognize the beauty of yung music. Parang there's something... So, if you can see Tonette and me, sabay kami nagpapahid ng mga tears. But anyways, so I saw how beautiful music can be. And I realized if music has this capacity to energize you, to uplift your spirits, I wanted to lean naman onto the opposite spectrum. Parang, how can music calm you down? How can music relax you? So I started looking up online teachers trainings for sound healing. I was reminded of our session, my session with Tonette. And then I kept looking, but all of the sessions that I saw online didn't really meet my needs. Parang it didn't fit my time. It didn't fit what I wanted out of teacher's training to be. And then, as in like literally 2 days after, nag-post si Tonette na she was offering of the sound healing training. So I jumped into it right away. I told her I'm willing to pay X amount of money. I'm willing to spend X amount of time because I knew it was with Tonette. It was with someone that I idolize as a teacher. It was with someone that I knew I would gain a lot of knowledge from. It was with someone that I knew na first day pa lang ng training nag-iiyak kami. Literally, introduction pa lang, good morning, and then iyak na kaming dalawa. But it's someone that that I connect with as a teacher. So it was meant to be. The universe threw us into that journey. That's where my yoga journey, my sound healing journey started from. And then I just wanted to share as well, parang like there's concepts in my yoga training na I never really resonated with. Like for me, yoga practice was primarily a physical practice. So if you attend my yoga sessions, it's me pushing you to your limits. It's me testing how you can come into this pose. It's me offering off options that you can do so that you can recognize what your body is capable and is limited of doing. So when we went into the sound healing journey, I grew more connected to the philosophies of yoga. Like before, I would be like, ano ba mga chakra? Ano ba pinag-aaralan natin to? Ano itong Reiki na to? So it was with sound healing that I began to appreciate more how yoga can be a healing practice as well. So it kind of jived, like everything merged into this beautiful path that I was directed to. So thank you, Tonette. That's my sound healing journey, and I've never looked back. It's those bowls follow me everywhere. Kahit na they're literally I pack them in a suitcase and they're bigger than me. But I still carry them around because there's something magical, there's something beautiful, there's something healing about them that I'd like to share to other people. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're so welcome. I love you, Teach. Grabe ka, pinaiyak mo agad ako. Grabe
Diba
ka.
sabi ko sa'yo, iyakan
Oh my
tayo.
gosh, iyakan portion itong interview. Para si Teacher Christine lang. Oh my gosh, ano ba yan? I love you, Teacher J. Sobra. Teacher J, where can we find you? Teacher J also offers retreats, no, where you can really have a personal experience as well, where she teaches yoga in an intimate, in a very uh, magandang environment as well. It's an intimate group. So you have what we call a ano ba yung ano mo, tiny circle.
Yeah, so for my online classes, I offer it through our Tiny Blue Girl Yoga line. So line talaga, branding. So you can follow me on Instagram, Tiny Blue Girl Yoga. I have all of my yoga classes posted there. We do Mondays to Saturdays yoga sessions. So I recently uploaded our schedule for the rest of May until the start of June. We have evening classes, we have morning classes. So depending on your needs. And aside from that, if in case you are not available to attend the live Zoom classes, you can avail of our content library. So I record all of my classes, so you can access them in a library that I have collated for you. And then aside from that, the one that Teacher Tonette is mentioning, we just I think we started lang nung March. We launched our retreat brand, which is Blue Circle Retreats. Obviously, blue is my favorite color. So we launched our Blue Circle Retreats, wherein we offer off yoga retreats around the Philippines. We did 2 already in Ilocos Sur last March and April. And then this May, we are happy to announce that we are launching one this May 20 in Dolores, Quezon with our partner Banahaw Circle Nature Retreat. So we do have a few slots left. If in case you are interested, send a message my way, either through my Instagram account in TinyBlueGirlYoga or in Blue Circle Retreats. And there in the Blue Circle Retreats, as Teacher Tonette mentioned as well, we offer off daily yoga sessions. Aside from that, we also offer guided meditation sessions with sound healing, and then you can avail also of like one-on-one sound healing sessions. So it's like the whole wellness package. So if you are interested, come my way and let's
Yes,
have some fun.
if you have the tiny the tiny Blue Circle Retreat teach is
Yes.
you also have that in Facebook or
Not
IG.
yet. Not yet. So, sa sobrang fresh namin, wala pa po kaming Facebook account. Pasensya na po. Aaralin ko muna yan.
All right. So everything is through Tiny Blue Girl Yoga Instagram.
Instagram. And then Blue Circle Retreats is also in Instagram.
Okay, Blue Circle Retreats is also in Instagram.
Yes.
Grab ko sana yun. So, Teacher Joanna, before we end, let's just hear and feel, Nats, naman, your loving and healing vibrations. We did a pre-recorded session with Teacher Joanna just just today, for
Just
all
today.
special for all of you. Full moon pa naman, so very, very apt yes, very, very apt ang sound healing, a good way for you to cleanse, a good way for you just to have a time of pause. So, without, further ado, let us hear Teacher Joanna of Tiny Blue Girl Yoga with her sound healing vibes.
Thank you.
Yeah, hold on, let me share lang. Alam mo naman tayo, mga tita mode. So, thank you so much for your patience. Here you go. Thank you, everyone. See you in a bit.
Find a comfortable position, either lying down or seated upright. Allow the body to fidget around as much as you want, adjusting until you are comfortable, until you find peace in the position that you have chosen for today. Let the body feel heavy. Acknowledge how you are connected to the mat, connected to the earth. And as you do so, allow yourselves to relax more and more into this pose. Little by little, notice the mind quiet down. And in those mini moments of peace, observe your breath. Watch as your inhalations enter your body. Watch as your exhalations move out of your system. Relaxing, deep breaths in. Relaxing, deep breaths out. Allow yourselves to surrender into this pose. And just let the vibrations from the bowls heal you for tonight. Rest and relax. Rest and relax. Rest and relax. Keeping the eyes closed for now, start to deepen your breaths. Long, deep breath in, and long, deep breath out. Breathing life and awareness back into your bodies by taking little tiny movements. Wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes, roll the wrists, roll the ankles, and gently move the head from side to side. Feel free to stay lying down a little bit longer, or if you'd like to end your session with us, go ahead and please make your way up to a seated position. Once there, I invite you to have your prayer hands in front of your chest. And we take a moment to absorb whatever we might have gained from today's sound bath session. Acknowledging this sense of peace, stillness, and calmness that we have found, even for just a couple of minutes out of our day. And for this, we bow down in a state of gratitude. Enjoy the rest of your day. Namaste.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Thank you so much, Teacher Jay. Thank you so much, Tiny Blue Girl.
Much.
Grabe ka, Teach. Nakakaiyak. Ibang-iba talaga. It's really like an extension of your love. It's an extension of your healing. You're able to express talaga yourself and your energy through the bowls, which is sobrang sarap panoorin and sobrang sarap pakinggan. I love you. Thank you so much, Teacher Joanna. Any last words?
Uh, I just wanted to thank you for everything. Like I can't pinpoint anymore how grateful I am for everything. Naman tayo. Basta for everything. Like alam mo na yon. Like I love you so much for all of the joy and the love that you share to this world every day. So I am honored to call you my teacher. I am so grateful to call you my teacher, and I am glad that I took that leap with you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Grabe ka! I love you so much. Thank you so much for your loving vibrations. Tiny Blue Girl Yoga in Instagram. Blue Circle retreats. They're having one this weekend. If you'd like a weekend just for you, celebrate yourself, or just a weekend to recharge, please get in touch with Tiny Blue Girl Yoga. The classes for May and June is up in their Instagram page. Please do visit their page. Get in touch with Teacher Jay. Next week, Teacher Natasha will be our guest for next week. So thank you so much, everyone, again for joining tonight. A lot of people are here saying thank you for your sound healing. Juliana said thank you. Maggie is here. I love you both. Said Krishna is watching. Krishna is watching. Oh my gosh. White space people are here. Loida is watching. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Tony and Teacher Pai Trinidad is watching also. Thank you so much. Everyone staying till the end. So thank you again. Next week, same time, a Sound Healer's Journey featuring Natasha Siena. So again, right after 9:45, if you'd like a one-card read, we do have our Monday night oracle. Please do tune in. Break lang kami ng konti. Thank you so much again, Teacher Joanna. Our next Sound
Thank you,
Healing.
Jeanette.
You're welcome. Our next Singing Bowl Sound Healing Teacher training is happening on July. It's a hybrid type of training. So it's both in person and online. So if you're interested, please do send us a DM. Thank you so much, everyone, again. Thank you, Teacher Jay. I love you. Enjoy, everyone. Bye.
Thank
Happy
you. Good
birthday.
night, everyone.
Night. Bye.